96.
96.
Coming up, 96. Pressure's on now. The boys have got 15 minutes. We've got this one to get 4 Barra for the ton. Elton's doing his job. 97.
I've got my quota.
This is number 97. 98 over here. 99, the pilot's looking at his watch.
I've got the 3 up. First done. Finished.
It's got to come in though.
Oh no!
He's gone!
No!
He's gone! Oh dear! We're back to 98. This is number 97. Going back. 98 over here for Caden. Sam's just the man, he's done it. He's got 97 up. Sorry, 90,
Hey!
98.
98.
98, we said that. Not a bad fish for a 98. Sam, did you know that we've been fishing for 4.5 hours?
4.5 hours.
That's
Feels
it.
like 10 minutes. Can we stay a bit longer?
Nearly out, mate. 98. Oh, he's pulled out. He's on. He's on again. He hasn't got a clue. No, he's on.
99.
This could be it. 99 coming up. 99. Oh, come on. Yes, 99. Okay. There's number 99. Well, we better watch these.
Oh, Killer dropped it.
Drop it. Don't lose these ones.
I've lost mine.
Nice and steady. This is number 100. With Samuel. Just out of reach now. The temptation is to run backwards at 1,000,000 miles an hour. Here it comes. Yes! Right, Elton! Hey!
Well done, mate.
Hey!
Well done. Well done.
Congratulations, fellows.
Oh, bloody good. The session of the century.